Jose Johnson and Felipe Bunes faced off in an exciting UFC matchup that pitted Johnson's dynamic striking against Bunes' well-rounded skills. The fight was expected to be a clash of styles, with Johnson bringing explosive power and a wide variety of striking techniques, while Bunes was known for his versatility and ability to adapt his game plan based on his opponent. Jose Johnson, a talented fighter with a striking-heavy game, is known for his reach, speed and knockout power. His stand-up game is his most lethal weapon, with a wide range of kicks, punches and elbows that make him dangerous from all angles. Johnson's striking is fast and precise, and he has the ability to finish fights in an instant if given the right opening. While his stand-up is excellent, his ground game has often been the area where he faces the most challenges. Johnson's takedown defense has been solid, but when he's on the mat, he sometimes struggles to control positions or fend off grapplers with superior wrestling. Felipe Bunes, a Brazilian fighter, is a well-rounded competitor who combines strong striking with excellent grappling. Bunes has a solid Muay Thai base, and his striking is technical and effective, but it's his ground game that truly sets him apart. Bunes is comfortable on the mat, with strong submission skills and a wrestling base that allows him to control opponents once the fight goes to the ground. His ability to mix up his strikes and set up takedowns is what makes him so dangerous. While not known for having the same knockout power as Johnson, Bunes' ability to close the distance and implement his game plan has made him a well-rounded and difficult fighter to deal with. The fight began with both fighters coming out strong, looking to establish their game plans early. Johnson's striking was on full display as he moved fluidly, utilizing his reach advantage to keep Bunes at bay. Johnson landed several clean shots, including a few kicks to the body and head that made Bunes wary of his range. Bunes, however, was patient and used his movement to close the distance. He looked to press Johnson against the cage, aiming to neutralize his striking and work for takedowns. Johnson's takedown defense was tested early, but he did a solid job of defending against Bunes' attempts. As the first round progressed, it became clear that Bunes was looking to mix things up by incorporating both striking and grappling. Bunes found success in landing some solid punches in the exchanges, but his primary goal was to get the fight to the ground. Johnson did his best to keep the fight on the feet, but Bunes was persistent and eventually secured a takedown. On the ground, Bunes was in control, working from top position and looking for submission opportunities. Johnson showed good defensive skills, trying to scramble and get back to his feet, but Bunes' pressure kept him on the defensive for most of the round. In the second round, Johnson came out with more urgency, knowing he needed to keep the fight standing in order to utilize his striking. He looked to throw more combinations, landing several clean punches and kicks. Bunes, however, was unfazed and continued to press the action. His striking was effective, landing some clean jabs and kicks, but once again, his main focus was on closing the distance and setting up another takedown. Johnson was able to avoid a few of the takedown attempts, but Bunes was relentless, finally getting the fight to the ground once again. From there, Bunes showcased his grappling skills, maintaining top control and landing some ground and pound. As the third round began, it was clear that Bunes had a strong grip on the fight. Johnson continued to look for openings to land his strikes, but Bunes' ability to control the pace and dictate where the fight took place was evident. Johnson's energy began to fade as Bunes wore him down with his wrestling and grappling. Bunes' control on the ground continued to be the defining factor as he kept Johnson from finding any rhythm or success in his striking. With each passing minute, it seemed more and more unlikely that Johnson would be able to stop Bunes' strategy. The fight went to the judges' scorecards, with Felipe Bunes securing a unanimous decision victory. Johnson showed flashes of brilliance with his striking, but Bunes' ability to mix in his wrestling and ground control proved to be the key to victory. Bunes' versatility and composure throughout the fight allowed him to neutralize Johnson's biggest weapon, his striking, and dominate the action once the fight hit the mat. This win further solidified Bunes as a well-rounded and dangerous fighter in the UFC, while Johnson's striking remains dangerous, but his grappling defense needs improvement moving forward.